thought my family owned a lot of hamsters, wait till I tell you about all the cats we had. Just a heads up though, some of these cats are dead. They all lived 9
Aw, I
happy
hate it when
lives,
cats
none of them
die.
had a painful death. Except for one, maybe, we don't know. We'll get into that.
Oh my god.
So cats. Some people think cats are jerks and not as loyal or loving as dogs. And they're right, but if you think about it, cats improve our
Oh,
lives
God.
every day. Think back to YouTube in 2006. What was popular?
Cat video.
If it wasn't for cats, we wouldn't have YouTube as a platform, which I could make the argument is another jerk thing cats did. Now, I'm a cat lover, and anyone who says they dislike cats has obviously never snuggled up with a cat and had it purr on your chest as you pet it for so long that you both fall asleep
Who
and
doesn't
all your
like cats?
anxieties melt away and the only thing you care about is your fragile feline friend. Or they're allergic. Honestly,
Yeah.
I think I'm slightly allergic to cats as well. Because every time I snuggle up with one, my eyes get all watery, my nose gets all stuffy. But like, I can deal with that. Maybe this
That
is what
cat,
love
though.
feels like. People like to put
Love
everybody
do
into
not
two
feel like that.
categories. Either you're a dog person or a cat person. But why do I have to pick just one? Can't I look at these two animals and say that both of them have good qualities that make them amazing pets? Why can't I pick both? I'm bisexual for animals.
Would that work?
That being said, here's all the cats I had growing up. So our family had just moved to our new house and we're all getting ready to go to church when my older brother, who was outside for some reason instead of getting ready, heard noises coming from a bush. And when he went to investigate, he found a little baby tabby kitten. He told my parents about the cat and they said its mom was probably looking for it, but if the cat was still there when we got back from church, then we could let it inside. And after we got back, my brother checked the bush and the cat was still there. So we took her in, we fed her, and we decided to name her Shady after Eminem's The Real Slim Shady because she was an obnoxious cat and didn't like us at all. Yeah, but she's so cute though.
Does she fit on
That's
your
how our
photo?
family got our one and only cat. One
Your
cat is
family
enough.
photo.
There were no more cats. Until one night when I was sitting at the kitchen table and through the window of the back door, I saw two yellow eyes staring at me. And as a kid, I still thought monsters were real. So I pointed it out to my family, hey, there's eyes outside. And everyone turned and was like, what the? So we opened the back door and a piece of the night just walked into the house like it lived there or something. Does this mean we have bad luck? Apparently, just waltzing in our house uninvited is a very effective strategy to get adopted because she ended up living with us for the rest of her cat life. My
I would've
older
just kicked
sister
her
loved
out
Sailor Moon,
because
and in the
it's
show,
a
there's this
street
black
cat,
cat named
so-
Luna. Spoiler alert, Luna's actually an alien that can turn into a human sometimes, but most of the time she's just a cat. So we named the cat after her, and little old Luna fit great in our home. We were your standard nuclear family with 2 cats. Just 2. We
Isn't
never
it a
got
dog
another
and a
cat
cat?
ever again. Until one day, this other cat
Another
appeared in our
cat?
backyard. We put Luna's and Shady's food bowls outside, which
Oh,
meant our
that's
backyard
why.
was basically a cat sanctuary for any
Because
cat that could
all
jump
the
our
cats
fence.
can
And
just
sometimes
come
we would
in.
see this calico cat hanging out in our backyard. We didn't know if she already had a home, and she would run away from us if we got close. So we left out a third food bowl for her. And then she invited some of her siblings along because 2 other cats decided to chill in our backyard. And one of the cats was a boy, which meant we had to get all 5 cats neutered. And just like that, we more than doubled the amount of cats we had. We were feline pretty good.
Oh my
3 more
God.
cats added to the family, because why not? That's the perfect amount of cats
That's
if you
too
ask
much
me.
cats.
I'm gonna name them now. What? We're not getting 3 more cats. 2 is enough. What? We can't just kick them out. We're gonna find them a new home, but we're not keeping them. Okay. Also, you're not allowed to name them. What? If you name them, then you'll get attached to them, and we're not keeping them. So since our mom banned us from naming the cats, we called them the Calico Cat and the 2 other ones. And we kept calling them this until our mom found them a new home. Turns out that their new home was our home, because my mom never found them a new home. So we just left them food outside, and they were happy with that relationship. They would let you pet them sometimes and even sit on your lap, but if you tried to pick them up, they would hiss and bite you. They did not like being picked up or being inside. They were feral cats. One time it was raining, so we thought it would be a good idea to bring the Calico Cat inside, but she freaked out. She hissed and scratched us. She hated being inside more than she hated the rain. And by the way, cats can
It's
be
a stray
very
cat.
loud. Like as loud as dogs. They just never raise their voices. They're too proper for that. So since she didn't like
Some
being
cats.
inside, we just put her back outside in the pouring rain. We ended up naming the boy cat Spot, the other cat we named Pepper, and the Calico, we didn't change her name. We named her Calico. That's like naming a dog Golden Retriever or Chihuahua. I don't know if that's sad, but you know what is sad? One day Spot just disappeared. He stopped showing up to the house, and we never saw him again. I hope he found a good home, but who knows, you know? Maybe he went off to start a second life, or a fifth or sixth life. Get it? Because they have 9 lives. Yeah, but he's probably dead.
That's a
And
knee
then
clapper right
I was in
there.
high school when Shady died.
Aw.
She had a good home with us, but it was her
I
time
feel
to
like
go.
that's not.
So we
the
were down to
real
3
cat.
cats, and we never got another
Oh, it
cat
has to
ever
be.
again. But then one day, my parents were out on a walk, and my mom saw a scrawny black kitten on the side of the road, and she said, "Can we keep it?" But my dad said, "No,
Oh,
keep
now
walking,
it's the
keep walking."
opposite.
And then on their way back from the walk, for some reason my dad didn't take a different route, the cat was still there, meowing at them. So my parents brought her home, and my twin sister named her Pepsi. My sister really loved Pepsi. I was more of a Coke person myself. But when my sister went off to college and I stayed home for community college, we let Pepsi outside one day, and she didn't come back. We didn't know how to tell my sister that our cat was missing,
Wow.
so we didn't, but we were all really worried. We put up missing posters, and after almost 2 months of being missing, she just appeared in the backyard. I don't
That's
know
the
what happened in that
weirdest
2-month
thing.
period. She looked fine. Maybe she got adopted by another family, and now some poor family is missing their cat Salem. Maybe she went out looking for my sister and got lost. Maybe she started acting in some Japanese TV shows. Who knows? But we found her. We didn't even tell my sister that her cat had been missing until after we found Pepsi, so she wasn't very happy about that. Then Luna passed away.
Oh, Luna looks
It was
nice,
sad,
but
but
she died.
cats don't live forever. Sorry. Sailor Moon wasn't even a good show anyway. Now, longtime Odd Ones Out fans might know this next story. My older brother found another kitten at the gym he worked at, brought her home, and named her Azula. But the name Azula didn't stick because we found out that Azula was a dude. I was the one, by the way, who saw
Oh,
Azula's
that's
firebenders
traumatizing.
and told
as a
everyone.
Kid.
Just wanted to get that part of the story straight. So Azula's name had to change, and while this was happening, we had a French foreign exchange student living with us, and she didn't know the word for kitten, so she called him the baby cat. And then we all started calling him the baby cat, and now that's his name, Baby Cat. That's how he got his name, Baby
That's a
Cat.
nice name.
Since we're on the topic of pets, I have something that I probably should have mentioned a while ago. For the most part, I try to keep this channel goofy and lighthearted, which is probably why I waited so long to tell you this. But around Christmas of 2017, my dog Georgie passed away.
No.
You might remember her in some
I
of my older
remember
videos.
Georgie
She was 13
in
years
some
old,
of his
and
videos.
just like the cats, it was her time to go. Yes, it was sad,
No.
but that's what happens to
Georgie
pets.
looked a nice
They
dog.
become your
He looked
best
like a nice
friend,
dog.
but they're not in your life forever.
Dog.
So if you have pets, remember to appreciate them now. I wouldn't have changed anything about
Aw.
Georgie's life. She was a good dog. Sorry, that part got a little personal.
Wow.
And my dog Poppy did not take Georgie's death very well, so my parents had to get an emotional support dog for their dog, and they got Jax, because he liked to jump, so he was their jumping
Aw,
Jax. Aw,
that's
what a
nice.
good name. Hello everyone, it's been a while since I posted one of these things. Between Thanksgiving and YouTube Rewind, I've been pretty busy. Speaking of YouTube Rewind, what did you guys think of it? I mean, I liked it. And I'm not just saying that because I had a speaking role in the video. And no, I'm not salty that this year's Rewind is getting a lot of extra hate, even though I was featured more prominently in it. I'm fine with that. I get it. If I sound different, that's because I'm using a different microphone and I'm tired. I wanted to do something new with this video in that I wanted to release a shirt to go along with the video. I'm always trying to keep my merch store fresh with new stuff, so if you like the video and you like cats, buy the shirt. Man, I can't believe I did a whole video on cats and didn't even say the word Huge shout out to everyone who worked on
Wow.
this video. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be able to make these
Good thing he
videos as
censored that.
quick as I do. They're not quick. So that's gonna do it for this
End
video.
of the
As
video.
always. What?